In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe for free, a convenient way to manage transactions without spending anything up front. Whether you're a developer getting acquainted with Stripe's features or a budding entrepreneur in need of a payment processor, this guide will take you through the essential steps to use Stripe effectively without any initial costs. Let's begin with the full development sandbox that Stripe provides at no cost. When you create a new Stripe account, it automatically starts in test mode, which is completely free. In this mode, you can make unlimited simulated transactions using test cards. This feature allows you to build and test payment flows thoroughly from start to finish, ensuring everything works seamlessly before going live. With test mode, you can also work with webhooks, engage with features like checkout and elements, and even explore options such as subscriptions and trials. It's an excellent way to familiarize yourself with Stripe's robust ecosystem. Remember, all of this occurs without any real money involved, providing a risk-free environment for your financial transactions. You only start paying fees when you decide to activate and begin conducting live payments. Now, let's talk about fees. Stripe is designed to be cost-effective, with no monthly fees involved. You pay only when you take payments, avoiding any subscription or setup charges. The standard transaction fee, typically 2.9% plus 30 cents per charge, only applies when actual payments are processed. This means you can create payment links, generate invoices, or customize your own checkout pages, embedding payments where you need them, all at no cost until a transaction is made. This pay-as-you-go approach is perfect for businesses looking to minimize expenses while still utilizing a top-tier payment processor. Moving on to offering free or trial purchases, even in live mode. Stripe makes it possible to simulate no-charge scenarios seamlessly. You can create Stripe checkout sessions where the unit amount is set to 0, or apply a 100% off coupon. In these instances, no credit card is collected, and you won't incur any fees. Additionally, you have the option to set up free trials on subscriptions without requiring customers to provide their payment details up front. Stripe will manage these subscriptions for you, ensuring everything runs smoothly. If the customer doesn't add a payment method by the end of the trial, the subscription is automatically canceled. In summary, these features allow you to leverage the full potential of Stripe without any startup cost. By staying in test mode, paying only for transactions, and using free trials, Stripe offers a comprehensive, budget-friendly payment solution. So go ahead and explore these features to enhance your business operations effectively and affordably.